Hi and smiles everyone, it's Colleen. So today I have a Temu haul for you. I have a bit of craft things, but I bought jewelry, and so I've got quite a bit of jewelry in this haul. So I'm going to just jump right in. Oh, before I do that, I'll just let you know that I don't do prices because this is a worldwide company and the prices are going to vary from country to country, but I will say it's very competitive pricing. So let's jump in. So I'm going to show you the jewelry. So what I got myself some rings. So the first one is this lovely sapphire looking ring. It's very, very pretty. Like, isn't that just gorgeous? Now these rings, of course, are not real gold or anything. So what I do generally with rings, for sure, is I will use some clear nail polish, and that protects them, and they last very, very long time. Like, they won't tarnish type of thing. So I got this blue one, and then I got this one, which I think is gorgeous. It is very, very sparkly, and I love it. And it's going to go with all kinds of outfits. So that one I got. Then I got this really funky one. It's got a little dragonfly on it. And we'll put it on so you can see it. Isn't that going to be fun? It's sort of a boho type of ring. So I'm finding the gold looks very goldy, like real gold, which is great. Then I got this one, and again, this is a very boho-y ring. And I liked the shape of it. Like, isn't that really pretty? You know, very, very pretty. It feels like Irish to me, that ring, for some reason. And then I got this one. It's another blue ring, but it's light blue. And that's this one, how this one looks on your finger. It's very pretty. So I got some for my bigger finger and for my ring fingers. Okay, I think I got a couple more here. Oh yeah, quite a few more. Okay, so I'm gonna just show you all the rings. So then I got this one, which is sort of like a rose gold with the pink stone. And that looks really pretty on. The stones are gorgeous in these rings. So that I got for my ring finger for sure. Okay. And then this was a 2 set, but it was the, so you get this little band, again with the rose gold. And then you get this one here. Very pretty, very pretty. So you can wear it with the other one like that, or without it. Which, my hands are swollen today. Or without it. I think I like it without the second ring more than together. Okay, just a couple, 3 more here. Then I got this big, bold, ruby type of gem. And it is gorgeous also. And then it's got more of the silver look to it. Really like that. And then I got this. This is a flower. I was thinking more of very casual outfit to wear this flower with. Isn't that cute? Very, very cute. And then I think, oh, I have one more here. And then this one, actually, oh, it's for the bigger finger. I'm just realizing, are these the same? They are. So I accidentally ordered these twice. But that's okay. I'll give one as a gift for sure. It'll make it a great stocking stuffer type gift. So those are all the rings I got. I'm very pleased with them all. The quality of them surprised me because, as I said, they are extremely competitive prices, like very good prices on all of these. And these were more custom rings. I have a lot of real gold rings and such, and I just wanted some that I could wear with some different outfits just as a statement. I thought I had one more, but I'm not sure where it went. It was a pink one, but perhaps I got that in a different haul, is what I'm thinking might have happened there. Okay, and then I got a couple of more laces. So I got this one here. Look at this. It's freaking gorgeous. It truly is amazing. Like this, you could trim journals with it. You could do bags. And if you were a sewer, of course, your different blouses or dresses. Like, it's just absolutely gorgeous. And there is at least, I would say, about 3 meters of this one. And then I got some simple ones for trims in my, oh, there's a lot to this one. There must be 5 or 10 meters, yards, whichever, of this one. But it's just a more plain one. When you need a little bit of lace, but not a thicker lace, you just want to use it in your ephemera, this will be great. And again, it's in white, so you can dye it any color you may want. And then we got this one here, more of the eyelet look, cotton. I'd say there's about 1 meter of this. And I just really liked the design of this. So it'll make wonderful, wonderful trim or ephemera, using it in ephemera. And then one last one I got was this one, this gold. Like, isn't that gorgeous? Just beautiful. Yes. I'm going to be able to use that in many, many ways too. Okay, and that's the lace I got. And then I just got some parchment paper in the regular, not white, craft type parchment paper. So I'll be able to use this in all kinds of ways in my craft room for sure. And there is 50 pieces in this one. So basically, I'm not going to take it out because it's just basic parchment paper. Okay, and then I got some other papers. And these are the papers I got, and I'm going to just see. This is a 16 piece. So, just beautiful flowers. I just love this. It's going to be so nice to use this. Isn't it gorgeous? And I think they're all, there's no doubles. You get different. Yep, those are all different so far. Usually I find the 16-piece ones I get are never doubled. They're all a slightly different one. Isn't that gorgeous? Love this one. And then there's this one, and this one, and this one. And these all coordinate together. And this one, and this one. Oh, the little butterfly wing. That one is beautiful. They're just such vibrant colors, and they're all matte. They're not glossy. And I much prefer matte than I do glossy. And then this is the last one. Okay. Then I got an embossing folder, which is this one. If you can see that well enough, I'm not sure. Let's see if the black will help. But it's just all these little speckles. And I thought that would make a great texture type of background to it. Yeah, I think it'll be gorgeous. And then I got myself, got a stencil. So this is the stencil that I got. I'm going to just grab a piece of scrap paper here, and we'll just quickly use this and see. Where did I put my, here it is. We'll see what the pattern looks like together here. Just do a little here so you can see what the pattern will be like. There we go. That should be good enough to show. Oh, I'll make it a little bit darker because we're on camera so you can see it a little bit better. I tend to go light-handed when I'm stenciling because you can't take away, but you can always add more color, right? So we'll just go like that. See what we get. So that's what it's going to look like when you stencil with it. Yeah, that'll be really nice to use in backgrounds and also on those white pages that you're putting in your journal. And you want to add some color to the pages, this will be great because then you can write over top of it. And also for tea dyeing, I use my stencils that way. Okay, and the very last thing I got was a die cut. So I have some of these photo frame type die cuts already, but they're quite large. And these were smaller, and that's what I liked about them. I'm going to be able to use them on ephemera. This square one will make a great frame to put a picture, a lady or something behind it to look like it is a film strip. So, oh, I got one more thing. I thought that was all, but I did get one more thing, and that was this washi tape. Now, this is like a film strip washi tape, which I thought would be really great to use on tags and journaling, any ephemera that you're making. So we'll just open this and see what it's like. Now, hopefully I can find the end of it quickly. There it is. Just pick that off a bit. Okay, there we go. So that's what it looks like. A little mini film strip. Isn't that cool? You might even be able to stamp on that little tiny images in each one, but you'd have to have a very small stamp, that's for sure. So that is the last thing I got in this haul. And yeah, so I will put the links down below if you want to go take a look at any of these items. For sure, I will do that. And I want you all to have a lovely, lovely day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It truly does help. And press that notification bell. Let you know when I'm putting up a new video. So I want you all to have a crafty, crafty day. Bye for now.